Hey guys, Luke C here with TFBTV. We're back here at the Brownells headquarters for GunCon 2024, and I'm here with Steven of Kinetic Development Group, and we're here to talk about some brand new rails they've got for the SCAR series of rifle from FN.
It doubles as a microphone
microphone stand.
So right in front of you, you see you see the XL version. There's a standard version that goes to the front of the receiver. This puts you about 3.5 inches beyond that. This is our M-LOK variant, and there will be an ARCA. Reddit, please, again, stop bothering me. It's coming. All right, so this is the 20S rail. We have the 16 and 17 rails, and I would also like to say, pay attention for the 15P because it's coming.
So for people who don't know about your guys' products, what are these rails typically made out of? How they're made? What are they coated with?
Absolutely. So all of the 20S rails are now NIR coated in Cerakote.
So it's NIR coated. It's better under night vision if someone's looking. So your gun's not going to be beaming under an IR illuminator.
Exactly, right? And so that's on the 20S rails. The 6.5 and the 17 and 15P and 17 rails will be coming and eventually getting Cerakoted like that. So no more cheese grater. You get M-LOK all the way around. You get M-LOK at the 6, 3, and 9 o'clock positions. So I have a stride log in my hands, and right now you can see it's featuring our SRX rail. This particular one is FDE, so we make a 3-inch and a 6-inch length. Both come in black and in FDE. I've also got my Connect piece on here. So the Connect piece is a QD system for M-LOK. No more T-nuts, no more shaking your rifles upside down to knock them out, get them knocked out. Just clicking in that fast. That's how that works, right? And they're great for flashlights, bipods, other accessories.
GoPros, if I remember correctly.
GoPros, you are correct.
So I'm a competition shooter. If you guys want to film your matches or just film your hunts or something like that, one of these attached to a GoPro is a really cool solution. How much do those run for, by the way?
They retail anywhere between $60 and $75.
Okay.
There's more coming this year. I can't talk about too much about it, but we will be having some newer models come out that will offer some unique features that everybody's been screaming for. So
okay, cool.
Give everybody what they want, right?
And your rails and everything are typically, you said Cerakoted, and with the non-reflective coating on there.
These are not the 20S.
The 20S
is
for
right now.
For right now. So that's called foreshadowing, people.
Foreshadowing. Pay attention.
And then these are Cerakote, just regular Cerakote.
Yep, just a regular Magpul FDE.
Okay.
And then
you got a unique optic mount there.
Yeah, so this is side lock. So side lock.
We got to stop right there. I know people are going to yell at you for return to zero. So is that?
Yes, it returns to zero, right? There's no cams. There's nothing protruding from the sides. There's a mechanical system on the inside. This particular gun, we were about 600 rounds yesterday, and by the end of the day, we were still shooting 200 yards with a 9mm. You don't believe me? Try it for yourself, right? Like, if you can't do it, it's you. I'm sorry. And
in terms of heights for that, do you guys have, what height mounts do you have?
So we have everything from the T1 footprints to the MRO footprints, RMR footprints. There's a standard pick rail.
Okay.
There's also an LPVO mount, so you got 30, 34, and for a limited time, there's going to be 1-inch rings. So you get a variety of different mounts.
And the height from the rail?
This particular mount is a lower 1/3.
Lower 1/3, okay. Perfect. Awesome. And you guys also carry magazines as well?
Yes, so about a year and a half ago, we launched our SCAR 17 mag. It doubles up, it works for the 20 as well. It works for both calibers that it's offered in. We partnered with a Men 2 on that, and we've been loving it. And FDE is coming, and Austin's going to get mad at me for this, but there's other color variants that will be coming. I can't tell you what they are yet.
Oh, we just talked to a Men 2, so I mean,
he's not here today.
We'll get the synthwave pattern magazines for the SCAR 17.
There's that, and maybe some others.
Maybe.
You can figure out what colors they are, right? There's some color patterns that just got dropped, and those should be coming.
Right on. And again, so last question here: price point and availability on this, because this is quite interesting here.
So the side locks, they range anywhere from 108 all the way up to 259.
Okay. And hard coat anodized, I'm assuming.
They are hard coat anodized.
Awesome. Well, Steven, thank you so much for showing us all your products, your rail, and your optic mount, and of course your neat little mounts here. Those are honestly just one of the coolest things I've seen. Like I think it was Kit Badger, who actually used to be on TV, TFBTV, showed us one of these, and I went out and bought one almost immediately. So really useful. Thanks again for coming on the show.
Absolutely.
And guys, thank you for tuning in to TFBTV Showtime, and stay tuned for more from GunCon 2024.